Today on Designing Spaces. Portable lighting for automobile safety. How to restore your pool's clarity. Tips on aging in place with quality care. Advice from the home care experts at Frontdoor. And picking the perfect flooring. Time to design.
Hi, it's Judith here. If you've ever been stranded on the side of the road due to a car breakdown, an accident, or some other kind of emergency, you're going to want to stick with me today because our friends from Energizer are back with some portable lighting solutions for your car. Got your iced tea here.
Thank you.
So listen, I've never really thought about equipping my car with portable lighting. So what kinds of things should we be thinking about?
So safety is so important for you and your loved ones. So good visibility and lighting is really important when you're on the road for your safety and others around you, especially for passing cars.
It's sounding already like my little cell phone flashlight is not going to cut it for something like a car emergency.
Energizer has a lot of great solutions, and you want to save your cell phone battery in case you need to make a call in an emergency.
That's very true, because what if your car is dead?
Exactly. So the first one is an automotive safety flashlight that was specifically designed to be in your vehicle for a few reasons. So it is very multifunctional.
Okay.
It actually has a seatbelt cutter as well as a window breaker in case you are really in a bad emergency situation.
Very practical.
It has multiple modes, including a strobe mode, which is a great be seen feature.
Oh, let's see that.
So if you flip through, that third mode there is a strobe mode.
There it is.
So no one's gonna miss you on the side of the road. And there's also a magnet on the end, so if you are having to do a repair on your car, that's a great hands-free solution as well. And it's rechargeable, so you can charge it directly in your car. You never have to take it out of your car. So the next light we're going to talk about here is a tactical light, but this one is really unique and exciting because it actually has a digital power indicator on it. So depending on the mode that you choose, you can see your different battery life, and it also shows the percentage of your battery life, just like a cell phone would, so you know exactly how much runtime you have left, so you can preserve it depending on what your emergency is.
Oh, wow. So on the lower setting, it's going to preserve more battery in case you need some light whatsoever. And the fact that it's rechargeable and you can see how much charge you have left, you can really use it wisely.
So our next products that I want to show you are our hybrid solar lights. So we have both a flashlight and a lantern that have built-in solar panels. So it's hybrid because you can either charge it via the solar panel in the sun, or you can charge it via USB if you want a quicker charge, but then you can run them on either the built-in rechargeable battery, or you can put AA batteries in for backup power, so you have even more runtime.
Oh, that's wonderful. So they've covered all the bases with making sure that it's charged, and it's also hands-free, great lighting capability. I like how you could even put this on the patio at night if you're not in an emergency, you just want to enjoy the evening.
Absolutely. And what's great about the flashlight is it actually has a charging port. So it becomes a power bank and you can charge your devices, whether you're sitting on the patio or you're in an emergency situation and your cell phone needs a little bit more charge.
And I love the fact that both of these have that solar option, because that is the last resort of charging if you really don't have another power source. There's so much practicality and thoughtfulness behind these products, and even though it's a safety product, it's also practical.
You can use it for many situations.
Yeah.
So the last essential to have in your car is a headlamp. So we know it is very important to have both of your hands free if you're in an emergency situation. And most of our headlamps have a red LED, which preserves night vision, but it has multiple modes. So no matter what your situation, you have the right lighting option.
So cool. And I like how you can even take this outside in the evening when you're going for a walk in the park and you need a little extra light or safety there. Why do you say we take these and put them in the car?
Sounds like a great idea.
All right, great.
Everything you've seen today and more is also available to purchase on Amazon.
For more information on today's portable lighting solutions, visit Energizer.com. And you can always go to our website, designingspaces.tv. See you next time.
Whether it's from heavy use or weather, no pool owner wants a cloudy water. So we've got ways to help bring back your pool's sparkle and shine. At HTH, we don't want the weather or anything else to rain on your pool party. While we can't control the rain, we can help prevent it from making your water cloudy. Let's tackle the issue and get your pool crystal clear again.
I notice it's been a little hazy for a while now. What do I need to do to make it right?
Well, cloudy water can be from a dirty filter, low pump run time, or chemical imbalances like high pH or no sanitizer.
I haven't tested it recently. What do I need to do?
Let's test your water now. These are the HTH test strips, and they're so quick and easy to use. You can check chlorine and pH and make sure that they are in balance.
Are they supposed to be in balance? And what do I do if they are in balance and it's still cloudy?
Cloudiness, it's usually due to tiny particles that are too small for the filter to pick up. So it could be from heavy use or even environmental factors.
That makes sense. We did have a big storm last week and the kids were in the pool for hours.
That could be it. It could also be a dirty filter or not running the pump long enough.
Oh, I run my pump for a couple hours a day, but maybe it needs to be longer.
Yes, exactly. A longer runtime helps the filter to do its job. And, well, speaking of filters, it's important to make sure that they're always nice and clean.
I cleaned it last week, but I wasn't sure if I did it right.
Okay, well, let's look at it. If you can see the bottom of the pool, then you're going to use a clarifier. If you can't see the bottom, then you're going to need to use a flocculant. For the HTH clarifier, just dilute it in a bucket of pool water. Pour it around the edges and add some of the skimmer. Run the pump until the pool clears and repeat if needed. For the HTH flocculant, turn your multi-port valve to recirculate, add the product to the pool, and run the pump for a couple of hours. Then let it sit overnight, and the next day, vacuum the debris to waste.
I think I have a much better handle on things now. If I can see the bottom of the pool, use the clarifier. If I can't see the bottom of the pool, use the flocculant.
Exactly. And once your pool is clear again, make sure you're following a regular care routine. A little regular care goes a long way to keeping your pool water safe, clear, and ready for your next adventure in the pool. For more tips and tools, visit hthpools.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.
Growing old has countless challenges, but perhaps none so great as the challenge of loneliness. Todd Houghton is back for part 2 of our 6-part series on aging at home. He's from Homewatch CareGivers, and it's one of the nation's leading home care experts. Todd, welcome back.
Thanks for having me back.
Thank you so much for coming. So Todd, we know that an overwhelming number of Americans today want to grow old at home, over 90% of us. Is it possible that millions of us are underestimating the loneliness factor because we're so familiar with being at home?
Absolutely. People, 90% of the people want to age at home, wherever their home might be. 1 in 3 Americans say they're lonely or isolated, and that only compounds as they age.
That's a profound statistic.
Actually, if they are isolated or lonely, it has profound effects on their heart, escalates dementia, and many other chronic illnesses get escalated when they're lonely or isolated.
Wow. Homewatch CareGivers has a really strong commitment to research and social data on aging. What is the philosophy of Homewatch CareGivers on staying connected while so many of us are aging at home?
So we follow what's called the Eden alternative, and it's our methodology of the care delivery. We meet the person where they are, or personalized care.
Tell me more
about the Eden. It's the Eden method.
The Eden methodology.
Methodology.
Correct.
What does it entail?
Yep, so it's really a three-prong approach, but it's focused on the individual and meeting them where they are in their care journey.
Yeah, and the three-pronged approach includes loneliness, boredom, and...
Loneliness, helplessness, and boredom.
So, for instance, what would this approach look like at home with my loved one?
We actually go in and really understand what's going on with the individual or your loved one.
Who's that one?
Mickey Mantle.
Oh, wow.
James.
And we're going to provide that right compassion, that right person-centered care to meet them where they are in their care journey. That's much different than the way other people deliver care or their methodology. Not every individual is the same. And so often we try to put everybody into that same pillar or and place in their life, and they're not.
Yes, and so, for instance, activities and those types of things, they're more tailored to the person's individual needs, if they like to play bridge, if they like to watch TV, if they like to do games, that kind of thing, right?
Right. It's absolutely what they want to do and keeping them engaged and connected, right? You have people that might want to go out every day and walk around the lake. We do that. You know, they want to play a game, like you said. We do that. They want to, watch a certain TV show. We do that. It's not isolating them into doing what they don't want to do.
And it makes you feel much more loved and much more like someone cares.
Yeah, absolutely. And you feel connected. You feel lively.
Todd, where can we find out more about Homewatch CareGivers?
You can go to our website, homewatchcaregivers.com.
Thank you so much. And of course, you can always log on to designingspaces.tv. Thank you so much for being here. Great topic.
The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
A leaky faucet can cause a loss of anywhere from 3 to 30 gallons of water a day. Here's what you should do to stop the dripping. The most likely culprits include a bad O-ring within the cartridge, a corroded seat valve, or a worn-out washer. These should be thrown away and replaced with a new part. Shut off the water and remove the cartridge or the valve stem and check the washer in the seat. Replace as necessary and reassemble.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert. Every step you take connects you to a surface, space, or place, and the moments and feelings you experience along the way. But there's no connection like the one you have with your home. It's your foundation for life's most meaningful moments. One company has found a way to make the process extremely convenient, keeping homeowners from coast to coast absolutely floored.
Hi, I'm Tracy.
Hi, I'm John.
And we live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. When we moved here, everything was white on white on white. And we walk to the beach, we have dogs, and we wanted something that was gonna be a little bit more lifestyle friendly. It all started with flooring. That's how it started, because I was going crazy with my grout. He couldn't stand hearing about the grout anymore. And so that's how we started this whole process with finding floors.
I would say that flooring is your base for your design. Flooring is where you should start and you build up from there. That's kind of your backdrop. The flooring, walls, and ceiling kind of all plays a really big role in how your final design comes out. Once you decide on your flooring, then you can start looking at your cabinetry, your wall colors, and then build based upon what your base is.
With Floor Coverings International, we're going to be there for you from start to finish. So from the initial picking out of the product all the way to the install.
FCI was literally a showroom in a truck that came to my house that brought the actual samples.
We have a mobile flooring showroom. It's really our partner in crime. It allows us to meet anywhere, wherever a homeowner is or a business owner, and we can bring them full-size samples so they can match it up next to their furniture, next to their kitchen cabinets, look at their lighting.
It was a no-brainer. From that point on, I knew that I didn't have to go anywhere else. We chose Floor Coverings International because the price was right. Every person that we spoke with at the company was so professional, so friendly, so eager to answer every question we have, helped our designer with every step of the process. it was just, it was effortless.
There's local owners from coast to coast. You're going to be able to find an FCI location close to you.
For anyone, I would go straight to Floor Coverings International. You don't have to leave your house. They have a full selection of everything you need. And it's one-stop shopping, and their prices are phenomenal. I wouldn't go anywhere else.
To learn more about Floor Coverings International and how they can help you furnish your home with high-quality floors, visit fcifloors.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.